when you create your piece of content, the first thing is that you got to know what is your main objective. So let me just write down the notes here. The first core goal is you got to know what is your main objective. So this main objective, right, is to drive traffic, to get traffic, or should I say expose my brand. Okay, so this is the main objective. Remember, you gotta have a main objective when you create the content, and then the rest of the content repurpose or what you use with it, right? It's like the by the way, what you can do with this same piece of content. So the first thing I do is that what I'm doing here right now is I am using some sort of social media marketing, all right, but in a very basic, non-advanced type of social media marketing. And one of the social media marketing that I shared a video that I released inside Foresight with Patric Chan. If you're not there, you should check it out and join that group called Foresight. Is that I share about the concept of how you use social media like Facebook and Twitter to get joint venture partners, to build relationships and so on. And the other thing that you can do right now is to tap on Facebook groups, right? And when it comes to Facebook groups, it is not about you go inside there and start promoting stuff, right? It is about how you position yourself as an authority and also to add value in order to get people to follow you in that sense. So in our internet marketing so-called community, the largest group is probably my friends group, Russell Brunson's ClickFunnels group. All right, so Russell is a dear friend and he's doing really great in this internet marketing circle. So what happened is that inside ClickFunnels there are over 200,000 members. Right, so imagine this, right? If I can have my posts approved inside ClickFunnels group, right? Guess what? In theory, it will reach 200,000 eyeballs. In theory, right? I'm not saying that it will, but in theory. So do you see how valuable that's going to be? So what I did is that I go to ClickFunnels and I make a post, but I'm not just going to go there and make a post, right? I am going to focus on adding value and positioning myself as the expert. So this is the article that I wrote there, right? So there is no sales pitch whatsoever. It is purely focused on adding value. So in this article, let me just break it down a bit about this article, right? So before I share content on this article, I share about my credibility. Why I do that? Because in this group, this is not my group, which means that they do not know me at all on stage. And Russell was giving me the award for being the top 10 JV partner or affiliates where he launched the book. So I was a top 10 among thousands of all of his affiliates. I got top 10, right? And now, when I share this with you, I am not bragging about my success, but I'm teaching you marketing here. Why do I bring this? Why don't I show that I'm top 10 in ClickBank product launch, that I'm a ClickBank super affiliate, I'm a ClickBank platinum partner, and so on, right? Why did I show this? Well, because this is Russell's audience. So I want to share with them credibility that they can associate with. So there's this concept called success by association, which I taught inside Foresight as well. So I'm actually linking that. So if they see Russell as the success figure, as the authority, and they see me as his top affiliate, what is happening? They're actually linking that unconsciously in that sense. So this is why I use this success to increase my credibility instead of my other success story. I mean, I can say that, hey, I'm an international speaker of 12 countries. I can say that I'm a best-selling author of 3 books and so on. But hey, I'm still a nobody in this community, so to speak. Then the rest of this is all content. Everything here, it is content, right? And if you see at the end of it, I don't even have follow me, click here, and all kind of message me and stuff like that, because that's just a bad way of communicating in a group, right? You gotta do it in a classy way. A classy way is just focus on adding value to the audience. That's it. Don't do anything else. Don't try to be sneaky and so on. Just focus on giving real value. Now, in the world of social media, in Facebook group, If you do that well, right, people will come to you. If you can produce good content, they will respect you, they will admire you, they will come to you. And you do not need to say, hey, I'm so and so on, and here's my link. This is the link to my website. This is the link to my product. Don't do any of those. Okay. The main objective is to drive traffic and to expose my brand. So I do not know how many people see this article, but hey, it's 200,000 people, right? So chances are, even though it is 1%, there's still like 2,000 eyeballs that saw this piece of content. You see how effective it is.